Hello, my name is Dr. Incampo. I was born in Italy, went to dental school in Boston, and then I moved back to Italy, actually, to work in a practice in Milan. Started my own practice in Wakefield in 1999. I'm here now in North Andover since 2013. I think the first thing that we'll experience is a warm welcoming from our staff. We're very into customer service, taking care of our patients first as a person, not as a number. And of course, the quality of dentistry that we provide for them. I think those are the things that differentiate us from everybody else. We have 3 wonderful hygienists that can take care of your oral cleanings. We provide implants, we do crowns, bridges, and all those prosthetics that would improve the smile and the confidence. The focus of our practice is to give our patients the best possible dental experience. We're just so thrilled to have served so many patients that actually now they have become part of our family.
I love them.